Let us solve 28th question of exercise 9.3. Here the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean, and we have to show that the numbers, these two numbers are in the ratio this. So let us assume that these two numbers are small a and small b. Let these two numbers are small a and b. So their geometric mean will be what? Root of AB. Now according to the condition, the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean, which means these two numbers are a and b. Their sum will be a plus b will be equal to 6 times root of AB. Now we have to show that the a is to b means a upon b, or a is to b equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root. This we have to show. So let us solve this equation so that we will get this. Okay. So here 6 you can write 2 into 3. So a plus b equal to 2 into 3 into square root of a. Now we will shift this 2 and root ab downside of a plus b. So a plus b upon 2 root ab equal to, will get 3, and 3 we can write 3 upon 1. Now here we will apply componendo dividendo rule. So first we will understand what is componendo and dividendo rule. So if a is to b is to such that c is to d is given, then you can write a upon b equal to c upon d. Through the componendo dividendo we can write it a plus b upon a minus b. So here this side equal to also will write c plus d upon c minus d. Or if you write minus here, if you will write plus, so the same we will apply here also. This is called componendo dividendo. So here also we will apply the componendo dividendo rule. Here a plus b this is this numerator plus denominator plus 2 root ab upon a plus b minus 2 root ab equal to, here we will write 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So this you can write it, this a you can write it root a square. Can you write? Because square and square root will take answer, so a only will get. Similarly b also you can write square root of b square, and plus 2 into root ab you can write root a into root b upon the same downside also root a whole square plus root b whole square plus minus 2 into root a into root b equal to, will get 3 plus 1 4 upon 3 minus 1 2 to the 4. Now this will be whole square of root a plus root b whole square, root a plus root b whole square, and this will be root a minus root b. Why? Because minus 2ab is there. So root a minus root b whole square you can write. Okay, equal to, we got 2 upon 1. So this will be square. You can write common power, means you can write root a plus root b upon root a minus root b, and it is power 2. Common power we write because both numerator and denominator is squared, so we wrote common power equal to 2 upon 1. So this square we will remove, so we will put here square root. So here root a plus root b upon root a minus root b equal to, will get root 2. Now root 2 upon 1 we can write. Now again we will apply componendo dividendo. So we will get here root a plus root b plus root a minus root b upon root a plus root b minus root a and minus minus plus root b equal to root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. Okay. Now you can cancel here minus root b plus root b. From here we can cancel minus root a plus root a. So we got here 2 times root a upon, we will get here 2 times root b equal to root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. 2 will be cancelled. So you can write square root of ab equal to root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. Okay. Now you can square both sides. Squaring on squaring both sides. So you will get a upon b. A is to b, that we have to prove. A is to b, a upon b equal to square of this numerator upon square of denominator. Okay, because if we will square both sides, so this we will get, and if we will simplify this, a upon b equal to square of square, we will expand a plus b whole square. So a square means root 2 square, so you will get 2 plus b square means 1 square means 1 plus 2 into root 2 into 1 upon, here also we will get the same 2 plus 1, but here we will get minus because a minus b we will apply. So a square plus b square minus 2 into root 2 into 1. So a upon b equal to 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. This is only we have to prove. So a is to b equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus is to 3 minus 2 root 2.